Hi, we're back for another training video here. In this one, we're going to show how to actually create the subdomains inside of your extension. I'm going to use dwicriminallawyers.com for this example. Let's say we want to set a site up for different cities. For example, boston.dwicriminallawyers.com or San Diego.dwicriminallawyers.com, Baltimore.dw, whatever cities we're in. And then we can do different rank and rents. We can use this same main domain, create the subdomains to build our link management, to build our even email autoresponders if we need to, in our web creators. So I'm going to show how to do link management. I'm going to show how to do it in a web creator, a page creator, funnel builder. I'm going to use for the web. I'm going to use Genius Pages, which is one I love to use. You may use ClickFunnels or Karcher or some other one, Groove Pages, whatever. I like Genius Pages, and I'm going to use Link Wizard. You might use again Bitly or ClickMagick or Schooner or something like that. I like Link Wizard. I think it's the best one out there, but that's okay. Whatever one you're using, there's going to be a setting where you can create a custom domain. You'll click Add. It might be a little warning label. And you're going to want to look to see what they want you to change the CNAME to. For Link Wizard, they all go to cname.lnkw.co. Just highlight that and copy it. And then we can open our extension and choose the extension that you want. So whatever you have loaded into Cloudflare will show up in here. And there will eventually be other providers that you can use. For right now, at the time of this video, it's Cloudflare. DWI Criminal Lawyers. Let's say we want to start with, I don't know, San Diego maybe. Okay, so we'll type in San Diego, and then we want to paste in that, remember we got that from over here in Link Wizard, cname.lnkw.co. So we're going to create sandiego.dwicriminallawyers.com, and we're going to click Save, and we should get a good job. And just copy this. It's right there. It tells you exactly what that custom domain is. You can just copy it, and then come back to what you've got there and type it in and hit Add. So that is now a valid subdomain for Link Wizard. So let's create a link and just make sure it works, right? So we'll go to shorten link. Let's just use Google, right? This is a test, right? Google.com. Okay, now we should see it in there. Look at that, sandiego.dwicriminallawyers.com. Customize it. Let's see, we're doing a couple of different Facebook ads. This one will be for Facebook ad 1. All right, and you may be doing other things with this, but I'm just using it as an example. Maybe that's what we want to do. You'll see a check mark. In this one, we have to add a tag. Let's do CDC. Oops, there we go. And I believe we have to do a description. We'll just do CDC test. And that should be it. Create shorten link. Let's see if that worked. There it is. It worked perfectly. So let's wait for the page to reload, and we will test that link. If we go back to our dashboard, we should see one up here. It should be the top one on the list, I believe. Once this loads, or I could actually type it. Yep, there we go. San Diego.dwicriminallawyer. That's going to be .com/FBAD1. And what I can do is we can go out to that. Let's click it and go out to it, and it should redirect to Google. Look at that. Beautiful. That easy. All right. Now, let's, we'll leave that there. Let's go to a web builder. Okay, so let's just create a new site. We'll just make we'll create a little mini site here. Again, maybe you're doing different sites in a niche and you need different sites for different things. I'm just we don't really need anything particular here. Let's just make a basic site. Okay, and get rid of that. And we'll hit, as soon as it loads, we'll hit Save now. And it'll take a second to save, and then we're going to create a subdomain for this website so that we can have it hosted immediately. I just need to wait until this gives me a confirmation. Look at that. Okay, so what we want to do is, let me just show you what I'm looking to do, and then we'll leave here. Okay, so in the site settings, we've got different things you can do, and one would be custom domain. Right? So we need to put a custom domain in there. And it's the same thing. Remember in Link Wizard, it told us what to change the CNAME to? It's exactly the same process here. And anytime you do this, it's always going to be the same process. So just copy what they've got there. Open your extension. choose the main domain you want, put in what your custom domain is. Maybe we're making a site this time for Chicago. We want to give somebody a rank and rent site for chicago.dwicriminallawyers.com. So this time we're going to paste in cname.geniuspages.io, leave proxy enabled, and hit save. Good job. Remember, we just copy that, same thing, copy. We go back to Genius Pages, we paste it in there, and I hit save settings. That's it. HTTPS, see, we've already got the security built in there. We're through Cloudflare, chicago.dwicriminallawyers.com. Let's hit it, and there's our website. Boom, done. That fast. That is super fast. You never have to log back into Cloudflare. Cloudflare can be closed and gone. It doesn't matter. And you're set up, and you can do as many of these custom domains as you want. Just go in there, set them up, you're good to go. That's it for this training video, and have fun. Contact support if you need any help.